Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper cover on a 2007 Honda Odyssey. To start out, we need to remove this upper sight shield, and to do that we're going to have to remove all of these plastic two-piece clips holding it on. And the best way to get these clips off is to use a clip tool or a flathead. And there's two notches on either side of the clip, and you just want to pry up on the notches. Some of these clips can be kind of stubborn, so you want to pry a little bit on one side and then switch over to the other side and pry up on it, and that'll usually get the clip to come up. And then once you have all of the clips out, just pick up on the sight shield and pull it forward to get it to go over the latch right here. And then just set it off to the side. And then underneath that, we have two more clips on either side. Next, come over to the side of the bumper where the bumper meets the fender and take a screwdriver, and you're going to want to peel back this fender liner right here, just at the top right here. Just pull back on it and then hold out on it with your hand. And then there's a Phillips screw that goes vertical from the bumper into the fender. So you're going to take a Phillips screwdriver and take out the screw. And then go ahead and stick your hands behind the bumper and pull out on it. And just loosen it up from the fender. And you're going to want to take the screw out and loosen up the bumper on the other side also. And the next thing we're going to do is climb underneath the bumper. And we're starting here on the driver's side. On the very end there is a bolt. Get a 10mm socket and take the bolt out. And then you're going to want to come through and take all these clips out. And these clips are just like the ones we took out on the top. Just make sure to pry on both sides on these ones on the bottom. It's very important. These ones on the bottom can get really grimy and they're really easy to break. But if you pry on both sides just gently and work your way back and forth, you can typically get them out without breaking them. But if you do break them, it's not that big of a deal. You can get replacement clips on Amazon, and I'll link to those in the description below. But you're going to go all the way down here and remove all these clips, just like the ones on top, and then the last bolt on the end over there. And once you have all the bolts and clips out of the bottom, go around to both sides of the bumper and pull directly back towards you. And that's it, guys. Bumper's off. Thanks for watching.